Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are looking at some of the best Amazon kitchen gadgets you can buy right now. These are practical, budget-friendly, and super handy tools that can make your cooking faster, easier, and a lot more fun. Whether you love meal prep or just want to make kitchen work less stressful, these products are worth checking out. And don't worry, all the product links in the description below, so you can grab them anytime. My Mug Ice Cream Maker. This is the My Mug Ice Cream Maker machine in a cool aqua color. It's a multi-purpose gadget that lets you create delicious soft-serve ice cream and gelato right at home. It comes with 2 bowls, so you can whip up multiple servings or try different flavors at the same time. This is perfect for a movie night or a fun activity with the family. The machine is compact and easy to store, taking up minimal space on your countertop. No more trips to the ice cream shop. Just add your ingredients, and in minutes, you'll have a creamy, cold treat. The process is simple, and the results are consistently amazing, making it a favorite for anyone with a sweet tooth. Mixing bowls with airtight lids. This is the stainless steel mixing bowls with airtight lids set. These khaki-colored bowls are not your average mixing bowls. They feature non-slip bottoms, so they stay put while you're mixing up a storm. What makes them truly stand out are the grater attachments that fit right on top, allowing you to grate cheese or vegetables directly into the bowl without the mess. The airtight lids are perfect for storing leftovers, keeping your food fresh for longer. The set includes multiple sizes, making them versatile for all your cooking and baking needs. They're great for serving too, so you can go straight from prep to table. This is a must-have set for any kitchen, blending practicality with smart design. Bamboo cheese board and knife set. This is the bamboo cheese board and knife set. This elegant and functional charcuterie board is the perfect centerpiece for any gathering. Made from high-quality bamboo, it's durable, eco-friendly, and naturally resistant to bacteria. It features a slide-out drawer that neatly stores a complete set of stainless steel cheese knives and tools, keeping everything organized and ready to use. The design includes grooves around the edges for crackers, nuts, or fruits, helping you create a stunning and professional-looking display. Whether you're hosting a dinner party, a holiday celebration, or a casual get-together with friends, this board elevates your presentation. It's also a thoughtful and impressive gift for anyone who loves to entertain. Food warming mat. This is the electric food warming mat. This clever silicone tray is a lifesaver for keeping your food hot and ready to eat. It features 4 different temperature levels, so you can choose the perfect heat for various dishes, from stews to appetizers. The raised feet on the bottom protect your countertop from heat damage, and the whole thing rolls up for super easy storage so it won't clutter your kitchen. This is perfect for buffets, family dinners, or holiday feasts where you need to keep multiple dishes warm. You'll never have to worry about serving cold food again. This fast heating pad is a fantastic addition for anyone who loves to host or just wants their meal to stay warm. Rapid egg cooker. This is the rapid egg cooker. This compact electric egg cooker takes the guesswork out of making eggs. It can cook up to 6 eggs at once, and it handles everything from soft-boiled to hard-boiled eggs perfectly. It also comes with an omelet tray and a poaching tray, so you can easily make scrambled eggs or a quick omelet. The best part? It has an auto shut-off feature, so you never have to worry about overcooking or leaving it on. This gadget saves you time and effort on busy mornings. It's perfect for meal prepping or simply making a quick and healthy breakfast. Simple to use and a breeze to clean, this egg cooker is a kitchen essential for any egg lover. Chicken shredder tool. This is the chicken shredder tool. This innovative tool makes shredding meat a quick and mess-free task. It features a twist and shred design that shreds cooked chicken, pork, or beef in seconds with just a few twists. The transparent lid lets you see the shredding process, and the non-slip bottom keeps it stable on your counter. The set also includes a brush and fork for easy cleaning and handling. No more using 2 forks and struggling to get perfectly shredded meat for tacos, sandwiches, or salads. This tool is a huge time saver and makes preparing meals a lot more efficient. It's simple, effective, and a must-have for anyone who cooks with shredded meat. Ninja Meat Thermometer. This is the Ninja ProChef Wireless Meat Thermometer. This smart thermometer is a true game-changer for both indoor and outdoor cooking. The wireless probe connects to an app on your phone so you can monitor your food's temperature from anywhere, whether you're grilling, air frying, or roasting. The waterproof design means it's durable and easy to clean. With this thermometer, you'll always cook your meat to the perfect temperature, ensuring it's juicy and delicious every time. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to perfectly cooked meals. This tool takes the stress out of cooking and guarantees professional quality results, making it an excellent investment for any home chef. Black sponge holder. This is the black sponge holder for kitchen sink. Keep your sink area organized and clean with this stylish and practical caddy. Made from rust-proof stainless steel, it's built to last. It has a dedicated spot for your sponge and a tall holder for brushes, keeping them upright and allowing them to dry properly. This prevents mold and bacteria buildup, promoting better kitchen hygiene. Its compact design doesn't take up much space on your countertop, and the simple black finish blends seamlessly with any kitchen decor. This small but mighty organizer is a game changer for maintaining a tidy and functional sink area. It's a simple solution to a common kitchen problem. Reusable storage containers for fridge. These are the reusable storage containers for fridge. These adorable and practical containers are perfect for keeping your fresh produce from spoiling. This set includes a garlic, onion, lemon, and potato-shaped holder, each designed to keep its specific vegetable fresh and odor-free. They are made from durable, BPA-free plastic and are great for reducing food waste. Instead of wrapping up half an onion and having it smell up your fridge, you can simply pop it in its designated container. They are also easy to clean and stackable, which helps save space. These containers are a fun and effective way to organize your fridge and keep your ingredients fresh. Digital kitchen scale. This is the digital kitchen scale. This sleek and modern scale is a must-have for precise cooking and baking. It features a clear LCD display and a durable stainless steel surface that is easy to wipe clean. It can weigh up to 11 pounds and has a handy tare function, allowing you to weigh multiple ingredients in the same bowl. It also switches between different units like grams, ounces, and milliliters. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, this scale ensures your measurements are accurate, leading to better and more consistent results. Compact and easy to store, this scale is an essential tool for any kitchen.